Welcome to our deep dive into the world of solar eclipses. These rare and mesmerizing celestial events have fascinated humanity for thousands of years, often sparking awe, fear, and curiosity. While they are now understood scientifically, throughout history, solar eclipses were seen as powerful omens and signs from the heavens. In this video, we'll explore 7 significant solar eclipses, examine their impact on history, and discuss the valuable lessons we can learn from each event. Solar eclipses are more than just astronomical phenomena. They have shaped major historical moments, influenced cultures, and even altered the course of wars and political decisions. Whether it's a total eclipse or an annular one, these events hold a special place in human history. Let's take a closer look at these events and explore the lessons that remain relevant today. Birmais. The 585 BC eclipse, the Battle of Halys. In 585 BC, during a war between the Lydians and the Medes, a total solar eclipse occurred. This event, which was predicted by the Greek philosopher and mathematician Thales of Miletus, had a profound effect on the battle. As the battle raged on, the eclipse caused the sky to go dark, which was interpreted as a divine omen. Both armies, shaken by the unusual event, called for a ceasefire and eventually agreed to peace. Key impact. This eclipse marked one of the first times in history that an eclipse was used as a diplomatic tool. Thales's prediction not only demonstrated the power of scientific observation, but also highlighted how celestial events could influence political and military decisions. Lesson learned. It reminds us of the deep human tendency to interpret natural events through the lens of symbolism. In this case, a scientific observation led to a peaceful resolution in the midst of conflict. The event also underscores the power of knowledge in diplomacy and conflict resolution. 2. The 1133 eclipse, a warning before disaster. On August 31st, 1133, a solar eclipse occurred that was viewed as an ill omen across Europe. In the year following this eclipse, King Henry I of England died, leading to a turbulent succession crisis and the onset of civil war, known as the Anarchy, between his daughter Matilda and her cousin Stephen. Key impact. This eclipse was often cited by chroniclers as a precursor to political chaos. While the eclipse itself did not directly cause the upheaval, it was seen as a celestial sign of impending doom, especially in an era where such phenomena were tied closely to the fate of rulers. Lesson learned. It's important to recognize how natural phenomena were often interpreted as signs of societal and political change. Today we understand that while natural events can be alarming, they do not necessarily signify disaster. However, this episode shows how the perception of an event can shape a nation's course of action, especially when the public believes in the power of omens. 3. The 1919 eclipse. Einstein's theory of general relativity. One of the most scientifically significant eclipses occurred on May 29, 1919, when a total solar eclipse provided the perfect conditions to confirm Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity. During this eclipse, British astronomer Arthur Eddington observed the bending of light around the Sun, a phenomenon predicted by Einstein's theory. Key impact. This eclipse not only confirmed Einstein's groundbreaking theory, but also marked a moment of triumph for modern physics. The results were published and quickly garnered global attention, establishing Einstein as a household name and revolutionizing our understanding of gravity. Lesson learned. The 1919 eclipse demonstrates the profound impact of scientific observation on our understanding of the universe. It shows how a celestial event can provide critical evidence for new theories and alter the course of scientific thought. It also highlights the importance of the scientific method and experimentation in confirming new ideas. 4. The 1968 eclipse, a cultural and political shift. On July 20th, 1968, a solar eclipse occurred during a period of intense social and political change in the United States. It happened during the height of the Vietnam War, the civil rights movement, and widespread protests across the globe. The eclipse, though a natural event, became a symbol of the growing desire for change and revolution. Key impact. The eclipse was viewed by some as a symbol of the political unrest and cultural shifts occurring during this time. As people gathered to witness the phenomenon, it was seen as a reminder of the power of collective action and the potential for societal transformation. Lesson learned. This eclipse underscores how natural events can serve as metaphors for cultural or political shifts. It reminds us that people often seek meaning and symbolism in celestial occurrences, especially in times of uncertainty. It's also a reminder that, even in times of turbulence, moments of awe and unity, like watching an eclipse, can bring people together. 5. The 1999 eclipse, a turning point in global politics. On August 11th, 1999, another total solar eclipse passed across Europe, the Middle East, and India. This eclipse coincided with significant political events, including the NATO bombing of Serbia and the ongoing tension in the Middle East. Some saw the eclipse as an omen of change, particularly in regard to the shifting geopolitical landscape. Key impact. The 1999 eclipse was heavily covered in the media and became an object of speculation, with some political analysts linking the event to the rising tensions in the Balkans and the broader world stage. While the eclipse itself had no direct influence on these events, it served as a reminder of the interconnectedness of celestial events and human history. Lesson learned. This eclipse demonstrates the ongoing human tendency to search for patterns and connections between celestial events and world affairs. While astrology and omens may no longer dominate our thinking, the way we interpret natural events still carries significant cultural weight. 6. The 2017 Great American Eclipse, a symbol of unity and divisiveness. The total solar eclipse of August 21st, 2017, was visible across much of the United States, from Oregon to South Carolina. Unlike previous eclipses, this event was widely celebrated, with millions of Americans taking time off work to witness the phenomenon. It became a national event, drawing attention not only for its beauty, but also for its symbolism of unity, as people from all walks of life gathered to experience it together. Key impact. The eclipse occurred during a politically divided time in the US and was perceived by some as a moment of national unity. However, others saw it as a metaphor for the deepening divisions in society. The eclipse, though a temporary event, served as a reminder that moments of awe can bring people together, but they also reflect the larger tensions present in society. Lesson learned. The 2017 eclipse shows how natural events can have dual meanings. a shared experience of wonder, and a reflection of the societal state at the time. It also highlights the need for unity in an increasingly polarized world. While the eclipse was a symbol of awe, it was also an opportunity for reflection on the need for collective healing. 7. The 2024 Eclipse, a new era for science and society. Looking ahead, the solar eclipse on April 8, 2024 will be visible across much of North America. This event is generating significant interest, both for its scientific potential and its symbolic significance. Scientists are already preparing to study the eclipse's effects on the Earth's atmosphere, while educators and astronomers are planning public viewing events. Key impact. The 2024 eclipse presents a unique opportunity to learn more about our planet and the Sun. As society continues to grapple with global challenges, this eclipse may offer a sense of unity and wonder, much like previous ones. Its occurrence in a time of scientific exploration and environmental concern also signals the growing role of natural events in raising awareness about planetary issues. Lesson learned. As we look toward the future, the 2024 eclipse reminds us of the ongoing relevance of science in understanding our world. It also underscores the importance of using natural phenomena as teaching moments, encouraging the public to engage with science and environmental issues in meaningful ways. Throughout history, solar eclipses have not only captured our imagination, but also had lasting effects on politics, science, and society. From the Battle of Halys in ancient times to the cultural significance of the 2017 eclipse, these events remind us that the natural world is intricately connected to human history. The lessons we draw from these moments are not just about the celestial phenomena themselves, but also about how we, as a species, respond to them. As we move forward, let's continue to learn from the past and approach future eclipses with a sense of awe and responsibility. Every eclipse offers a chance to reflect on our place in the universe, the beauty of the natural world, and our collective journey toward understanding and unity. 8. The 2024 Eclipse, Scientific and Societal Impacts. As we look to the future, the solar eclipse on April 8, 2024 promises to be another significant event that will captivate millions. The path of totality will span across North America, from Mexico to Canada, passing through key cities in the United States. This upcoming eclipse presents an exciting opportunity for both scientific exploration and social reflection. Scientific significance. One of the major objectives for scientists during the 2024 eclipse will be studying the Sun's corona, which is usually obscured by the brightness of the Sun's surface. The eclipse will allow researchers to gather valuable data about the outer atmosphere of the Sun and better understand solar wind, magnetic fields, and their influence on Earth. This information will contribute to our understanding of space weather and how it affects satellite communications, power grids, and other critical infrastructure. The 2024 eclipse will also provide an opportunity to conduct further studies on the Earth's atmosphere, such as measuring changes in temperature and pressure caused by the shadow of the Moon passing over the planet. These studies could help scientists better understand how solar events influence our environment. Cultural and societal impact. Beyond the scientific community, the 2024 eclipse holds cultural and symbolic significance. Solar eclipses have historically been moments of reflection, awe, and even fear. However, in the modern era, they are opportunities for unity, bringing people together to witness the incredible power of nature. For many, the 2024 eclipse will be an occasion for education and communal celebration. Schools and universities will host viewing events. Astronomers will engage with the public to share their knowledge, and local communities will gather in parks, fields, and public spaces. This event represents an opportunity for widespread participation, fostering a sense of collective wonder and curiosity. Just like the 2017 eclipse, the 2024 event has the potential to transcend boundaries of race, nationality, and political affiliation, offering a universal moment of shared experience. It serves as a reminder that, regardless of our differences, we all share the same sky, and moments like these can help us reconnect with one another on a global scale. Key takeaway: the 2024 eclipse is a reminder of the intersection between science and society. It not only provides us with a chance to advance our understanding of the universe, but also offers an opportunity to build connections and create memories with others. Whether you're a scientist, an educator, or simply someone marveling at the beauty of the cosmos, this event offers a rare chance to come together and reflect on our place in the universe. The Vet. The 2071 eclipse, a glimpse into the future of eclipses. While it might seem far off, the solar eclipse of 2071 is already on the horizon for astronomers, scientists, and enthusiasts alike. This eclipse will be particularly interesting because it will be visible from parts of the Arctic region, which is a rare event for solar eclipses. Scientific interest. This eclipse is expected to offer insights into the behavior of the Sun and its influence on the Earth, much like previous eclipses. However, by 2071, technological advancements may offer even more precise and detailed data, particularly regarding the behavior of solar radiation and its interaction with the Earth's magnetosphere. Long-term societal impact. For future generations, the eclipse of 2071 may hold even more cultural and societal importance. As humanity continues to advance technologically and socially, moments of collective awe like solar eclipses will likely serve as an anchor for human connection. The event may also serve as a metaphor for looking toward the future, a symbol of hope, progress, and scientific achievement. Key takeaway: the eclipse of 2071 provides a glimpse into the future, reminding us that while the universe may seem vast and indifferent, it also offers moments of connection that transcend time. By looking forward to these celestial events, we can inspire future generations to continue exploring and learning. 10. The science and myths behind solar eclipses. Understanding their impact. Throughout history, solar eclipses have sparked countless myths, fears, and stories. In ancient cultures, these events were often seen as bad omens, signaling the wrath of gods or the end of times. Even today, some people view eclipses with a sense of mystery and unease. But understanding the science behind these events can help us demystify them and appreciate their true beauty. Breaking down the myths. Many cultures have unique interpretations of solar eclipses. For example, in China, a solar eclipse was believed to occur when a dragon ate the sun, and people would make loud noises to scare the dragon away. In India, eclipses were seen as a time of ritual purification, with many people fasting and taking spiritual baths to cleanse themselves. In Europe, Eclipses were sometimes seen as signs of bad fortune, and they often prompted a flurry of religious ceremonies and prayers for protection. Today, we know that solar eclipses are a natural occurrence caused by the alignment of the Earth, Moon, and Sun. The Moon's shadow passes over the Earth, blocking out the Sun's light. This rare alignment happens only a few times each year, and the next total eclipse in North America, as we've already discussed, will occur in 2024. Key takeaway. By studying the science behind solar eclipses, we can better appreciate their wonder and their place in the natural world. While they may still hold symbolic significance for many, understanding the astronomical phenomena behind eclipses can help us move beyond fear and superstition, allowing us to experience these events with a sense of awe and curiosity. The timeless power of solar eclipses. From ancient civilizations to modern science, solar eclipses have always held a special place in human history. These cosmic events not only captivate us with their beauty and rarity, but also provide valuable lessons in science, history, and culture. As we have seen, solar eclipses have influenced political decisions, shaped scientific progress, and inspired awe across generations. As we look toward future eclipses, whether it's the upcoming 2024 eclipse or the distant 2071 event, it's clear that these phenomena will continue to play a role in our collective experience. They remind us of the vastness of the universe and our shared connection to the natural world. Each eclipse provides a unique opportunity to reflect on our place in the cosmos, to learn from the past, and to look toward the future. As we gather to witness these celestial events, we do so not just as observers, but as part of a global community united by our wonder and curiosity about the universe. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of solar eclipses and their impact on history. If you found this video informative and engaging, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Share your thoughts on the upcoming eclipses or your experiences watching past ones in the comments below. Remember, every eclipse is a chance to learn, connect, and marvel at the universe. Stay tuned for more videos exploring the fascinating world of astronomy, history, and beyond.